Well, Second Heaven got splashed today. Latest we've put the boat in the water almost ever, I think. I had a repair going on with the one rudder post that I couldn't get the marina to do, so I ended up pulling everything apart and replaced a wooden block myself. Had some help from my brother at the end, but basically it was my repair. Everything turned out nice. There's no water leaking in around the block that was replaced, and things just went really well. Put her in the water at 2 o'clock today, and here we are now.